pag-iyak ay hindi lamang tanda na nasaktan ka. Kapag iniyakan mo, ibig sabihin, mahalaga sa iyo. Kapag iniyakan mo, ibig sabihin, mahal mo. Kapag iniyakan mo, ibig sabihin, handa mo yang paglingkuran. Yun bang pinaglilingkuran mo na simbahan? Minsan naiyak ka din dyan. Remember, my dear brothers and sisters, tears are not just signs of hurt. Tears are signs of love, dedication, and service. So do not be afraid to cry. Do not be afraid to shed tears. And whenever you remember someone, something, a situation, a person who made you cry, do not just remember the hurt. Remember that, I cried because I was able to love. I cried because I was able to give myself in service.